Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a video via email on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as a video that we will be attaching to the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you should have been migrated to the latest version of the application Microsoft Outlook. Let's now compile an email. By going to the top left corner of the screen where it says new email, we can create an email, event, or contact. We are looking to create a brand new email. So before we do anything, let's move to another desktop. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder, locate a video that we wish to upload. So let's go to movies. I have a folder called videos. Within this folder, I have two videos. We will click on video.mp4, right click, copy. Move to the desktop, paste that information there. That's now been pasted. We can quit Finder. Let's now go back to the Outlook application. We will be sending this video to the ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com account. Let's type that in now. There we go. Double click on this to confirm that it is being sent to ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com. Let's choose a subject. Video. Let's now go into the email and compile a brand new email. Dear CSV, please see the video. Attached. Kind regards. From the admin. Let's now attach a video by clicking on attach, which takes us directly to the desktop. Click on this video, choose. That has now been added as part of one attachment. Depending on the file size, if this video may be greater than 1 GB, it will then save that to SharePoint and attach the link for you to then send to your client. So we can now click on send. That email itself has been sent. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, we will be required to navigate to our Gmail account. Click on the email, Dear CSV, please see the video attached, kind regards, click on the video. We would have to download the video, which I'm doing now. Click on this, and there we have the video for us to watch if we ever need to. So we can now quit QuickTime Player. We can now quit Google Chrome. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go back to Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.